Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In continuation to the previous video in which we have discussed the properties of square numbers and the perfect squares. Now property third. All square numbers end with the digits 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9 in their units place. For example 16, 25, 81, 144, 625 etc. ये मैं आपको ऐसे समझाऊं कि जो भी हमारे पास कोई भी स्क्वायर नंबर होगा, अगर आप ऑब्जर्व करेंगे कि उनका जो डिजिट होता है एट द यूनिट्स प्लेस फर्स्ट प्लेस पे, उनमें ये वाले डिजिट्स हो सकते हैं. अगर उनमें ये वाले डिजिट्स होंगे 2, 3, 7 या 8, वो कभी भी परफेक्ट स्क्वायर्स नहीं हो सकते हैं. तो हमें कुछ क्वेश्चंस ऐसे आते हैं जो हमें देख के बोलने होते हैं, कैन दीज नंबर्स बी परफेक्ट स्क्वायर्स. तो अगर उनके पहले डिजिट पे 8, 7, 3 या 2 आएगा, then we have to say that these numbers can't be perfect squares. अगर ये numbers आएंगे तो हमें देखना है they can be perfect squares. Now ये जो दो properties थी, these are related with this concept. The numbers end with 2, 3, 7, 8 can never be perfect squares. तो ये जो numbers होते हैं, अगर ये units place पे किसी भी number के आएंगे, so they can't be perfect squares. Now our property 5. All perfect square numbers ending with 0 have even number of zeros at the end. For example 100, 40,000, 6,400 etc. But not in all cases. This property is that if we have a square number, अगर हमारे पास एक square number है, it ends with 0. अगर इसके units place पे 0 आएगा तो ये तभी perfect square होगा जब इसके लास्ट में इवन नंबर ऑफ जीरोस होंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल या तो इसके एंड में 2 जीरोस होने चाहिए, या 4 जीरो होने चाहिए, या 6 जीरो होने चाहिए. तो अगर इवन और नंबर ऑफ जीरोस होंगे, सपोज 1 होगा, 3 होंगे, 5 होंगे, तो दैट नंबर कांट बी अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. लेकिन ये हर एक केस में अप्लाई नहीं होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हियर यू कैन सी 300. Here we have even number of zeros, but 300 is not a perfect square. तो हमें ये देखना है it can have even number of zeros at the end, but all those numbers can't be perfect squares. So perfect squares are only those numbers which have even number of zeros at the end. तो यही हमारा जो ये फिफ्थ प्रॉपर्टी थी, यही हमारी ये प्रॉपर्टी थी. नाउ वी हैव द सिक्स्थ प्रॉपर्टी. ऑल स्क्वायर नंबर्स लीव अ रिमाइंडर ऑफ 0 और 1 व्हेन डिवाइडेड बाय 0. तो हमारे पास जो भी परफेक्ट स्क्वायर्स होंगे, सपोज वी हैव परफेक्ट स्क्वायर 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 81 एक्स्ट्रा 100. तो व्हेन दे आर डिवाइडेड विद 3, they are left with a remainder either 0 or 1. तो हम यहाँ पे आपको एग्जाम्पल देंगे. 9 is a perfect square. When 9 is divided by 3, 3 are 9, तो इसका रिमाइंडर जो है वो 0 आता है. Here we have another perfect square, that is 16. When 16 divided by 3, we get remainder 1, because 3, 5 are 15, 1 is remainder. Now we have 25. 3, 8 are 24. When 25 is divided with 3, here we have the remainder 1. Now 36. 36 is also a perfect square of 6. Now when it is divided with 3, 3, 12 are 36. The remainder is 0. So this property is when all the square numbers when divided with 3 are left with the remainder either 0 or 1. Now we have square table. You can consult the page number 98 of your book for this square table. Here you can see this is a square table. This is square of 1 is 1, square of 2 is 4, square of 3 is 9, square of 4 is 16. Here you can see this is the square number up to 50. Here from 25 up to 50, they are some numbers which have their squares. You have to prepare the square table of the natural numbers, 50 first 50 natural numbers on your notebook. Now here you can see if we have a number 1 that have 1 or 9 at its units place, like this is 19191 at its units place. Their square numbers end with the number 1. This is another property. Now here you can see in the next property that if we have a number 4 and with 4646, their square numbers end with 6. So you can consult page number 98 of your book for this property. Now dear students, as you know that math needs lot of practice, so you have to clear your concepts, which will help you in doing and understanding the questions given in your exercises. For that purpose you need to revise these videos till you get the next video. Till then,